Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today I give you some multiple choice question of your footprints without feet. Now choose the correct options. First question is, I think I know a cure for you. Who is I? इस सेंटेंस में I कौन है? Options are Mrs. Humphrey, Mr. Harriet, Mrs. Humphrey's husband, Mrs. Humphrey's servant. And the correct answer is Mr. Harriet. Here option B is correct. Next question. A queer way to earn money. What is the meaning of the word queer? Options are strange, rare, famous, illegal. In this sentence, what is the meaning of queer? And the correct answer is A. Strange. Queer means strange. Now next, who is Flora? A secret agent, a spy, a writer, a personal investigator. And the correct option is a writer. C option, a writer. Fourth, what do you mean by the word hysteresis? Here options are a happy reaction, sad reaction, no reaction, and exaggerated reaction. And the correct option is D, an exaggerated reaction. Next, question number 5. What does the first encounter tell us about Mrs. Hall? Options are, she is not friendly, she is money-minded, she is disinterested, and D, all of these. Here, the correct option is B, she is money-minded. Question number 6. What was the name of a bright social science teacher? Options are Dr. Earhart, Mr. Weyerhaeuser, James R. Ong, Robert W. Peterson. And the correct option is Mr. Weyerhaeuser. Question number 7. Matilda was born into a family of, options are scientists, doctors, engineers, and clerks. So the correct answer is D, clerk. 8th one is, Lutyens was summoned for what? Theft, murder, cheating, being a witness. And here the correct answer is being a witness. Next question. How did Bholi leave school on the first day? Options are sad, with a ray of hope for new life, depressed, none of the above. And the correct answer is with a ray of hope for new life. Question number 10. Name the book of nursery rhymes which saved the earth. Options are Father Goose, Mother Goose, Baby Goose, Lovely Goose. And the correct answer is Mother Goose. Now next question is true and false. Sentence 1 is Mrs. Humphrey was a very poor lady. This statement is false. Second, to take revenge, Griffin burned the house. This statement is true. Third, Anil wrote articles for magazine for a living. This statement is true. Fourth, Oliver's mother rushed after the narrator with a gun in her hand. This statement is false. Fifth sentence, think tank was the ruler of Mars. And the answer is true. Sixth one, Bholi's parents did not accept Vishambar's marriage proposal for Bholi. This statement is false. Seventh sentence, Lozells had to spend 36,000 francs to replace the necklace. And this statement is true. 8. Flower felt disappointed at the end of the story. This statement is false. Next, Noodle was the deputy of think tank. Answer is true. And 10th sentence, monarch butterflies were not eaten by birds. And this statement is true. So here students, in this video I give you multiple choice question. Choose the correct option and true false. So you have to write all these questions in your notebook, write their answers and learn it. And these questions are footprints without feet, your supplementary reader book.